Hi fam, welcome back to another episode of Rayo. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare this delicious, appetizing, my all-time favorite turkey sauce. This recipe is a big time game changer. You're going to love it. So just stay tuned and let's get started. So for my recipe, I'm gonna be using my pepper mix, some turkey, my sunflower oil, some chopped onion, my seasoning oil, some curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, some ginger, salt, and basil leaf. Guess what? The spices is easy to access, so you don't have to waste your energy looking for spice. You can also check the description box for more details about the ingredients. So firstly, we are going to be starting by boiling the turkey. So I'm just gonna be seasoning with my seasoning cubes, some curry, thyme, my salt, some ginger and basil leaves. Then I'm gonna give it some stir to combine, and then I'm gonna cover this and leave to steam for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes I've been steaming this, I'm just gonna give it some stirs to combine. Then I'm gonna be adding enough water to cover the turkey and leave to cook. So this has been cooking for the past 25 minutes and right now it is ready. So I'm just gonna be removing it from the broth, then I'm gonna be transferring it into my air fryer. So I'm just gonna leave this to grill for 30 minutes, but you can also grill it in your oven or fry it in the frying oil. So while that is grilling, we are going to steam our pepper mix for 15 minutes. So I add the combo of my tomato, chili pepper, red bell pepper, onion and garlic. Then I'm gonna add some water and then I'm gonna cover it and leave to steam for 15 minutes. So guys, this is how our pepper is looking after 15 minutes of steaming. So I'm just gonna give it some stir, turn off the heat and leave to cool for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna transfer it into a blender. So right now I've added my pepper in the blender, then I'm just going to be blending it till smooth. Note I didn't add any water while I'm blending it because the pepper is already so soft. So can you see how gorgeous that is looking already? Add this method to your repertoire of cooking and I promise you this recipe will never ever fail you. Here is the stage I've been waiting for. Heat up your pot, then add your vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower oil. So I'm gonna be adding my chopped onion and I'm gonna fry it for a minute and 30 seconds or till onion is slightly brown. Then I'm gonna be adding a teaspoon of my minced garlic. Guys, I know some people don't like to cook with garlic, but let me tell you something. Garlic is gonna take your food or your recipe from below to above. Just try it and come back to the comment section and tell me how you feel about it. So the moment we got the slightly brown color, we are going to be adding our pepper blend mix. Then we're gonna give it some stirs to combine. Then I'm gonna be adding my seasonings and my spice, which is salt, curry, thyme, ginger powder, seasoning cubes, and I'm gonna be adding some from the turkey broth. So I'm just gonna stir it to also combine, then I'm gonna cover and leave to fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. So right now our turkey is well grilled. Then we're gonna check on the sauce that we're preparing. Look at that guys, and right now we're just gonna give it some stirs, then we are going to be adding the turkey to it. So guys, we're gonna stir it for to combine, then we're going to cover the pot and leave to fry for another 8 to 10 minutes. And guys, this is it. This is what I'm talking about. Can you see that? Oh my god, this is so delicious and it is so pretty. Look at this, this is so colorful. So like right now this is ready. I'm just gonna give it some stirs, turn off the heat, and then I'm gonna cover it and leave to cool down. So guys, our turkey sauce is ready to serve. This pairs well with any side dish of your choice, your rice, beans, even as a stew for your swallow. You see, just do you can even eat it with bread. Yeah, This is so delicious. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like what you're watching, why not press the thumbs up to like my video? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys. See you in another video. Until then, be healthy, be happy, and be safe. Bye.